Massive system. Right here, or guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Let's talk about the specs for today. Today's system is for TGLTN. You guys know what TGLTN is? One of the top NA players right now. Today we're running a Intel Core i9 11900K. This is 8-core CPU. It's a new i9, so it's a new 11th gen CPU from Intel. To cooling that, we're using the Kraken Z73. So we're gonna put some really cool things on that. That's the LCD cooler from NZXT. So to keep this cooler really, to keep this CPU really cool, we're gonna be doing a push-pull on this as well, because our goal actually with this CPU is to push it to a 5.3 all-core overclock. That'll push even more frames for Mr. TGLTN. I'm putting this on the beautiful ASUS ROG Strix Z590. This board, it's nice. The Strix boards always look nice. This new Z590 board, it just looks so much better. For storage, we've got a Samsung 980 Pro, so it's gonna be a NVMe 4, and we're also gonna add a crucial 2 terabyte NVMe as well for any kind of storage, VOD, stuff like that. We're gonna put that on there as well. You're putting this all in the Lancool 2 mesh. I think we bought one of these about 2 or 3 weeks ago for Master Batch. We're building in this case again. It's a really nice case. We're powering it with an 850 watt Seasonic Focus Platinum. We've got 4000 megahertz CL16 RAM from Gskill going in here as well. Got some really fast RAM from Gskill. And then for the power for the beautiful graphics, we've got the EVGA RTX 3080 FTW3 Ultra from our friends over at EVGA. And then we've got some fans. Like I said, we've got a lot of fans going in here. We've got 6 Deep Cool CF120 Plus fans going in. They're beautiful fans. I don't know if we built them on stream. You guys will love them. They are really, really, really nice. And then on top of that, we're gonna have the rear NZXT AERs pulling air through the rad. So we can do a push-pull on that and get a lot of airflow on that rad to keep it super cool, because we're gonna push that CPU to its maximum potential with a nice little overclock. And then we're gonna to tidy things up, we're gonna use some ASUS Pro sleeve cables, some beautiful black cables with black cable combs from ASUS. This is a Pro kit. It's what we use in a lot of our systems now. They're really, really nice, really good quality. They can handle all the watts they need to deliver the power to the crucial components. So it's a massive system, as you can see right here. It's right there, massive system, right here, or. That is a massive pile. Can we take a look at how much stuff is right there? We just like look at that in all its glory. Yeah, this board is gorgeous. It's a Strix board. The primary drive is gonna be a 980 Pro from Samsung. It's gonna be NVMe 4. Drive for his boot. He probably put PUBG on there. Know how he is. It actually has LED right here on the NVMe. That's pretty crazy. I didn't realize it until now. How many M.2? This has 4 M.2s. It has 2 Gen 4s and 2 Gen 3s. All right, time for the CPU and the RAM. I really love the boxes now. They're a bit smaller. They're not as big and bulky for the new Intel chips. Not like soccer ball like 900K. Yeah, I know, right? Got a bunch of those still laying around. They're so funny. Right, time for to do standoffs, and we have to do RAM. So we're gonna do the standoffs first, and then we're gonna do the RAM. 4000 megahertz CL16. RAM is so fast it glows. Yeah. Wife said to deliver next week? Dude, congratulations. I didn't know you were expecting. Congratulations, man. Get that last golf game in while you can. That board chat looks good. All right, slide across. Let's get this case out. Oh, it's a big case. It's a big case. Anyone know what the difference in having a speed on FPS, say 30 gigabits of 2400 versus 4000? So the instances where you encounter, let's say a 1% low or a 0.01% low, in those instances, the faster latency and faster speed RAMs will help keep that FPS at a higher number than typically a lower speed RAM would. It's frustrating because I watched live yesterday. Another builder said it doesn't matter, and they're huge. I mean, they've got thousands upon thousands of people. And I watched him tell 2,000 people last night that a difference between CL16-18 and CL16 3600 megahertz in a brand new Ryzen 5 does not matter, and he's 100% wrong, and it actually appalled me that he would say that in front of that kind of people and continue to put out builds like that. And it's just really frustrating because it does make a difference. In those lower instances where you're getting into a firefight, for example, and you're gaming and streaming and you feel like, why does it get sluggish here? It's because the RAM is being taxed in that instance where it needs that faster latency to perform better. That CL16 RAM in that instance will outperform that CL18, and you will feel a difference. And they're telling people that they don't, and I was really, really upset about that. In the Ryzen, specifically more in the Ryzen systems, it matters a lot more. So last night when I'm watching this person, you know, build a build for somebody, and they say that doesn't matter, and I'm like, how are you building for people like this? Like, why are people buying your systems? It's frustrating. It's a very big name, and they're not telling their customers what they need and giving them the right components, and it's frustrating. There's a reason why we put 3600 megahertz in our $2,000 Pro systems that are on 5000 series CPUs. It's because they need that latency. It needs that speed to help perform and push those new higher individual core numbers better. It's frustrating. It's frustrating, man. All right, let's get you guys to take a peek at this. Look at this. Whew, look at this BB. This thing looks beautiful. All right, let's get you guys to the front of this thing. It's gonna be birdie. There it is. Oh man, right in front of that looks nice, huh, chat? All right, top mount looks good, huh? You like that? Nice curve. Bend all these cables out of the way. Cables looking good. Cables are getting managed. These are all the wires running down the middle. This will be part of our AIO, so we're gonna zip tie these off here as well. We still got a little thing. We still have to put 3 more fans. We got to run the RGB wires. We still have a little bit of time. This is definitely a bigger build, guys. This is not a slouch build by any standards. There's a lot of stuff in this system. That was a pain. That was a pain. There's so many cables you have to like literally manage and like micromanage here. It's tough. It ain't easy on this case because they have all these cables so they can hide them. All right. Finally do the graphics card, guys. Whew. 9 fans on a lot of wires, yeah. They come out nice, but they're hard to go in when you have all the amount of cables we have in his system. You gotta think about it. We've got just in fans, we've got 9 fans, and then we have, you think about that, so it's 9 just original PWM wires running off this. And then on top of that, we've got the cables for the RGB, so that's another set of cables. To the back of it, we manage the cables really well. It's just it's a pain. It's a pain, chat. We gotta put the panels back on. I'll let you take a peek at it while I got the card out.
Let's get ready to build.
JPOG channel, welcome in. All right, guys, ready? Here we go. Thick boy time. The thickest of the thicks. The EVGA RTX 3080 FTW3. Here we go. I'll slide her on in there. There's a thunk. You hear it? I heard the thunk. Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.